Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for choosing my course to help you navigate the world of online video production and marketing. I'm really excited about this as it's great to see almost 10 years of my expertise distilled into this single resource, and it's actually going to help others. So let's do this. Before we begin, it's always helpful to have a definition to which we can refer. In this case, you're here to learn a little more about video marketing, and so we'll take a brief look at what that can mean. We'll be working to a definition that video marketing is the production of branded video content that's designed to inform, sell, or persuade, but before it can do that, it has to be seen. So, online video marketing differs from traditional broadcast because of its shareability, its interactivity, the ability to target it, and most importantly, the ability to measure it. Back around 2006, YouTube was still a bit of an unknown quantity in the online world. As with many new platforms and technologies, it wasn't entirely trusted or understood. And for a long time, YouTube was the home of sort of very amateur content and pirated commercial material, such as music videos, TV shows, and the like. Internet speeds and other web technologies weren't refined enough for YouTube to be a household platform, but its raw and desirable content did mean that it started to generate an audience and a user base. As the user base continued to grow, then of course marketers started to take notice. You go where the people are. But even then, very few brands managed to capitalize on the platform. One of the earliest success stories, however, was Samsung, who created one of the first examples, in my mind, of genuine viral content.
This speech is my recital. I think it's very vital to rock around. That's right. On top. It's tricky. It's right. Here we go. It's tricky to rock around. That's right. On time. It's tricky.
It's Flicky was created to promote the new X830 mobile phone, and in order to blend in with the rest of the sort of crappy YouTube content, it was created as a rough amateur production that centered around one small concept: the flick of the phone. At the time, it was massively popular, and I remember browsing the user comments when I discovered it. The young demographic that favoured YouTube at that time were captivated by the creativity of the video, and so many of the comments positively praised the phone and showed strong intent to buy one. That truly was early video marketing. Unfortunately, the original upload has since been removed, and while there are sort of rips still in place, the original comments and view count has since been lost. Over time, though, the concept of video marketing has expanded. We're no longer looking at just YouTube, but the whole web structure, websites, social media spaces, email, mobiles, apps, all of it, all capable of delivering and measuring video content. And video has now become a very important and lucrative marketing tool. Whole campaigns are launched via video, and because of the shareability of great productions, it's become one of the most desirable forms of content creation for many brands. Nowadays, video, often hand in hand with YouTube, are used by brands such as Old Spice, Blendtec, Volkswagen, Geico, T-Mobile, and so many others to reach new consumers, educate existing customers, and engage in massive brand building experiences. For smaller brands and organisations, though, video is vital to populate the digital spaces, especially the website, which will connect with visitors and ultimately sell or build brand loyalty. Video can be used in so many ways, in so many different locations, and in pursuit of very different objectives. So this is the landscape of video marketing, and this is what we'll be diving into during this lecture series.